In times of economic downturn, while the average family tightens its belt, the world's billionaires often appear unscathed or even positioned to flourish. This paradox isn't just a tale of vast wealth and privilege. Beneath the surface, these economic titans engage in a series of calculated and often secretive strategies that allow them to not only survive, but thrive during financial turmoil. This video explores the covert maneuvers that preserve and grow billionaire fortunes during economic downturns, contrasting these with practical, actionable strategies that can empower every family to navigate financial storms with greater resilience. Economic downturns are periods characterized by widespread declines in economic activity across markets and industries, typically marked by significant financial anxiety and uncertainty. Historically, these downturns have reshaped industries, remolded national economies, and shifted socioeconomic paradigms. During such times, while the general populace struggles, a deeper examination reveals that not everyone experiences downturns in the same way. Billionaires, with their extensive resources and connections, often navigate these challenging periods through strategies inaccessible to the average person, involving complex maneuvers and high-level decision-making. Billionaires often view economic downturns not just as crises, but as realms of opportunity. The essence of their approach lies in understanding that while markets may fall, they also recover, and it is possible to position oneself advantageously for when they do. This positioning involves a mix of risk mitigation, market analysis, and sometimes sheer audacity. Strategies employed often include securing liquidity to maintain operational stability and exploiting market dips as buying opportunities. Furthermore, billionaires frequently rely on a diversified portfolio not only across different industries, but in different types of assets to hedge against potential losses. One of the most understated tools in a billionaire's toolkit is psychological resilience, the ability to maintain a strategic mind frame despite uncertainties and emotional pressures. This resilience is cultivated through experiences, mentoring, and sometimes professional coaching. For the average family, developing resilience can start by fostering open discussions about financial fears and proactive planning. Being well-informed and prepared can substantially reduce the anxiety associated with economic uncertainties. Health as wealth, the overlooked asset. Often hidden in the public narrative is the emphasis billionaires place on maintaining their health. Without health, all the strategic acumen and wealth cannot be enjoyed or utilized effectively. By ensuring regular health checkups, maintaining a balanced diet, and regular physical activity, families can preserve their most valuable asset, health, ensuring they are physically prepared to handle financial stresses. Media influence and public perception. Billionaires often manage the narrative around their activities during downturns through strategic communication efforts, shaping how their actions are perceived and reducing potential backlash. This emphasizes the importance of understanding media influence and using it to one's benefit, whether it's managing one's online presence or using local media to promote community initiatives. The role of government and policy. The influence billionaires exert on policymaking can be significant, often shaping economic measures to favor business continuity and growth. While individual families have less sway, understanding and participating in local governance can provide insights and advantages in navigating economic policies. Actively engaging in public consultations and voting processes can help families better understand and potentially influence the policies that affect their financial well-being. Adaptability and learning from failures are hallmarks of many billionaires. They have the ability to pivot quickly and learn from their failures. This adaptability allows them to turn potential defeats into lessons that pave the way for future successes. Families can cultivate this adaptability by embracing a mindset of continuous learning and being open to changing paths or strategies when situations evolve. In crises, many billionaires ramp up their philanthropic efforts, which not only help manage the crisis, but also enhance their public standing. However, philanthropy also builds networks of influence and support that can be crucial in times of need. For families, small-scale philanthropy or community assistance can strengthen local ties and provide mutual benefits. Organizing or participating in community support initiatives can help build a supportive network, crucial during economic hardships. Building a legacy that outlasts an immediate crisis is a common theme among billionaires. They not only think about emerging from a downturn unscathed, but also how their actions will be remembered and what foundations they are laying for the future. Families can think in terms of what values they are passing on to the next generation. Values like resilience, ethical behavior, and the importance of community solidarity. Understanding the moves and strategies employed by billionaires during downturns can provide valuable lessons for families. By adopting scaled-down versions of these strategies, families can enhance their resilience and equip themselves for future uncertainties. Key strategies include maintaining financial flexibility, investing in education and health, and building strong community networks, all of which can serve as buffers against economic shocks. Importance of networking and mentoring. For billionaires, an extensive network and access to mentoring are critical success factors. These relationships provide insights, opportunities, and guidance during uncertain times. Families should focus on cultivating relationships within professional and community contexts. Such networks can offer job opportunities, advice, and emotional support, making them invaluable during downturns. Future outlook. Preparing for the next downturn. While it's impossible to predict when the next economic downturn will occur, being prepared can lessen its impact. Billionaires constantly evaluate the landscape to adjust their strategies accordingly, a practice that can benefit families too. Staying informed about economic trends, continuing to diversify income sources, and maintaining financial and psychological resilience are all crucial steps in preparing for future downturns. Case studies: billionaires during economic crises. Looking at how billionaires have navigated previous economic crises can provide insights into effective strategies and overlooked opportunities. These case studies underline the importance of a proactive and strategic approach to crisis management. From investing in undervalued assets to ramping up philanthropic efforts, these narratives can inspire families to think differently about handling their economic challenges. Conclusion: key takeaways for future resilience. Understanding billionaire secrets during downturns reveals a multifaceted approach to navigating economic challenges, an approach that emphasizes resilience, strategic planning, and the importance of robust support networks. While the scale and resources may differ, the underlying principles can be adapted to help families face financial adversity more effectively. The key is to remain informed, proactive, and connected, ensuring a stance that not only withstands economic downturns, but potentially turns them into opportunities for growth and improvement. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel for up-to-date business and tax information that impacts life around us.